Have you ever eaten ice cream from a cone or drunk from a tin of milk? Today we learn about two special solid shapes, cones and cylinders. A cylinder has two flat circular ends joined by a curved surface. A cone has one flat circular end that narrows to a single point at the top. Look at a cylinder's parts. The two circles are called bases. The side is the curved surface. The height is the distance between the bases measured along the axis. Now the cone. It has one base, one curved surface, and a sharp point called the apex. The height runs straight from the apex down to the center of the base. Example 1. Look at this tin of tomato paste. It has two flat circles on top and bottom joined by a curved side. Two circular bases and one curved surface. So this tin is a cylinder. We can now name every part we see. Example 2. A birthday party hat. Can you name each part of this shape before I show you? It has one apex at the top, one circular base, and a curved surface. The dashed line inside is the height. This shape is a cone. Many students get this wrong. The slanted line from apex to the edge is not the height. The height is the straight vertical line from apex to the center of the base. Remember this memory aid. A can is a cylinder with two circles. A cone has one circle and one point. Two C's, two shapes. Easy. Great work today. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more clear lessons like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com to keep learning.